Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk about personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we're looking at Lululemon. They do have earnings after the close today. Very exciting. The stock has been consolidating. It kind of looks like we have a bull flag here. And what does that mean? We have our, let me just draw this. We have this flag pole, and then you can see this purple and blue line, that's our flag. So what typically happens is a move up after some consolidation like that. So let's look at the bigger picture because that is what I like to do. Ooh, if you are a chartist like me, do you see a potential cup and handle? Look at this random black line floating out here. What is that? Okay, so we have our left side of the cup at 466. Cup height of 510. If we cut that in half between the median, that's about a 30, a 45, 25. So let's call this 485. 485 is our cup height, and our cup low is going to be 257. 480 minus 257. Okay, so we're going to take 223 and plus 480. 480. $703 is the cup and handle price target if this is a cup and handle. Here's our cup. Here's our handle. If they have blowout monster earnings today, I think we are going to go towards $703 freaking dollars. Okay, so that's a cup and handle price target. Let's look at some other things. The strength is at a cool 60, which if you are buying this or selling, the strength is more so with the bulls here right now. It is not weak. You can see the stock had a high of 510, and it's only fallen about $60 in share price, which is not too bad. So the strength is still holding up here. The momentum is actually pretty hot. You can kind of see it's actually kind of looks like it's coming. It's getting exhausted. You see these bars getting lower. Money flow looks like it's kind of been joggling its way up. And then relative momentum, looks like it's just getting started to the hot side. So that's decent. Earnings per share, we want to see the Nike swoosh here. Yep. Same with the sales. Look at the stare price. Look at the sales earnings going up like this. And then our shares outstanding are actually going down. They are not diluting. All great things. So what we're going to do now is we're going to calculate the stock price and see if this is worth getting into. Our price to earnings is 58, meaning this is expensive. However, the forward PE comes down to 32, which means it's still expensive, but not as expensive if they continue on their guidance as expected. Gross margins are 56%. That is incredible. Wow. Okay. We're going to do my handy dandy calculation. We're going to take 58 billion, 100 million. What did I just do? 58 billion, 100 million plus 1 billion in income. That's pretty cool. Did they just become profitable or something? No, they had millions in income, I'm guessing. Okay, plus they do 9 billion, 190 million in sales. Good for them. So now we're going to take the cash and the debt. And we're going to get the latest quarterly number. They have 1 billion, 1,091,140,000 in cash. Total debt is 950 million. They're reducing their debt. 950 million, 950,000. Yes. Okay. And their total assets are 6 billion. Total liabilities 2.4 billion. That is almost a 3x. Their assets almost dwarf liabilities 3x. That is wonderful. That's awesome. Okay. That makes me feel pretty comfortable. Are insiders buying or selling? The CEO sold 25,000, but he got 25,000 in options right there. Frank, 1,500. Nicole Nierberger, 705. I don't see her options though. Celeste, 10,000. She sold 15,000, got 10,000. Chloe Michelle Sun, Chloe, sold 27, got 18, taking a little bit of. Damn. All right. So let's get back to our calculation. I don't see any red flags with the insider selling, by the way. So we're going to take this and divide it by 110,060,000. This is saying a stock price of $621, which I don't have a problem with that. I do want to just add some more lines here because it has been a while. Okay. Man, part of me really wants to grab a small position before earnings. In the event it does play out into a cup and handle. And another part of me also wants to wait to see if it falls through. So, okay. So what I could see is the stock price getting to this ascending triangle level here, then having a pullback. So a lot of things are aligning in terms of a narrative, if possible. If it goes and continues within this pattern. One pattern I do want to call out, General Mills. We saw a similar ascending triangle here where the stock zooted itself out of this and started consolidating for 6 months. So again, let's look at, I say if this is, let's look at some hard numbers here. Okay, so if it is a positive earnings, I think the stock could get to 480. If it is bad earnings, I think the stock could get to 438. And if it gets to 438, we might see it get down to 369, which no, I would not be complaining. So my price target was 621. The calculated price target 621. The cup and handle price target was around 720. Let's see what institutions and hedge funds are doing. So as of right now, institutions and hedge funds own 87% of the stock. I'm going to say it's more. I'm going to say they own more now. 99%. That is a, 12% increase. And look at this. Maybe. This image does not want to load, and it looks like it actually, okay. Oh, there it is. This is the highest institutional hedge fund ownership since 2022. So that's a little telling. That's great. That is great. I want to see if BlackRock and Vanguard have added to their positions. Vanguard added about 2.2 million shares. BlackRock added about less than 2 million shares. Dennis Williams trimmed a little. Price T. Rowe Associates trimmed 50%. All right. Well, I like Lulu. Those are my price targets I gave you guys. Again, I like 621 and 720 in terms of calculated price target and the charted price target. If they have a good earnings, I think we see 482 and hopefully a continuation up. Bad earnings, I think we see 439 and maybe lower. So if you are in this one, good luck. I hope you either are making money long or short. Whichever way, I don't want anyone to lose money. If you made it this far, consider hitting subscribe, consider hitting the like. Have a wonderful day.